Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import Goodreads to Fable. All right, first up, go ahead and open up your Fable app. Tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to tap on your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Once done, go to the top, and here we have the cogwheel or the settings icon. Just click on it. Now, once you're in here, just locate your data section right here. As you can see, we have the option for importing our Goodreads list and reviews. All right, just go ahead and tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it will need us to sign in via Amazon, Apple, or sign in with an email. All right, just go ahead and sign in with the correct Goodreads account. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on sign in with an email. All right, I'm just going to hit on sign in. And once done, wait for it to load. As you can see here, the importing process is beginning. Now it says here sync in progress. Once the sync is complete, we'll send you an email and notify you that your list and reviews are available in Fable. And when we go ahead over to our emailing service, as you can see here, it says import complete. Your Goodreads import is now complete. Let's go ahead and open up the app. Go to our profile. Wait for it to load, and here we have the list. As you can see, I have this one book from Goodreads and review right here. I should have one right here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.